Thanks for joining us here at Tesco Bus. In this video, we'll be going over the key features and functions of your Tesco Ford E-Series wheelchair-accessible shuttle bus. Remember that Tesco Bus will not be liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment. This video is for informational purposes only. When familiarizing ourselves with the Tesco shuttle bus, it's important to know where to locate and how to use all emergency exits on the body. Being the easiest to locate and use is the rear exit door. This door is an optional feature on some, but not all, shuttle bus models. Operation is simple by pulling the red lever and opening the door outwards to exit the rear of the vehicle. On some models, but not all, an alarm may sound when the vehicle is running and this door is opened. Depending on your vehicle's capacity, you'll also find 2 to 4 window emergency exits located next to your passenger seating. These will be labeled accordingly with emergency exit stickers and will be secured with 1 to 2 red levers. To use these windows, pull the one or both red levers on the sides or bottom of the window to unlatch it. Then push the window outwards where it swings open as an exit. Some models, but not all, may also feature an emergency exit roof hatch. To open this hatch, turn the knob shown here and push the hatch open. Swinging outwards and creating an opening you should be able to exit through. Lastly, we have our entry door. In the event the door loses power, or you're unable to open it with the door switch, you can use the red emergency exit release handle above the door. Just pull the handle outwards towards yourself and push the double doors open. If you wish to latch the doors closed, or your vehicle regains its power, close the doors completely, and then fold the red emergency exit lever back towards the wall, latching the door, but also re-engaging the door's motors. Next, we'll move to our seating and securement devices. Your vehicle will have anywhere from 4 to 6 fixed position, 2 seated benches, and 2 to 4 Freedman 3-point folding seats with 1 or 2 passenger accommodations. The Freedman seats are easy to use, whether to seat passengers or accommodate wheelchairs. In the upright position, make sure that the bottommost lever is twisted away from covering the support bar. Locate the middle lever and push the red handle in. While doing so, pull down the top of the seat and push it down until it clicks into place. To raise the back of the seat, locate its red release lever either on the back of the corner or direct side of the back corner of the seat. Push the lever down and lift the seat back into position until it clicks into place. Folding the seat back up is the reverse. Push the lever down for the seat backing and fold it all the way down until it locks in place. Then locate the red bench release lever located directly underneath the seat backing lever and pull it upwards, releasing the bench and allowing it to fold upright. Once upright, twist the bottommost lever until it covers over the metal bar to keep the seat secure. With our foldaway seats stowed away, we now have room for 2 to 4 wheelchairs depending on your vehicle's capacity. These can be secured with the Q-Straint floor tracking and belts. You can find your securement straps and anchors in the Q-Straint bags on the walls. To use your Q-Straint system, please refer to the Q-Straint website for training resources and tutorials. You can find the link in the description below. Now we'll move to your wheelchair lift where operation is simple. To start, when parked on level ground, engage your parking brake. This will be located by the driver's door underneath the headlight controls. If your bus is equipped with a lift power switch on your overhead control panel, make sure that it's switched on. Now make your way outside to the rear of the bus and open the access doors to the wheelchair lift. Make sure that the lift's power switch at the bottom right or left corner is switched on, and that the lights at the top corners are illuminated. With the area clear of any people or obstructions, take the remote and press and hold the unfold side of the switch to bring the lift down. If it doesn't move at first, click and hold fold to bring the lift up all the way to satisfy the safety mechanisms, then hold unfold to bring the lift down. Once unfolded, you can hold the down side of the other switch to lower the lift to the ground. Once it's down all the way, make sure that the load-on flap unfolds out to the ground as well. When you're ready, press and hold the up side of the switch to raise the platform off the ground. When the platform stops and the interior ramp folds down, you can then unload your platform. And once it's clear, go ahead and hold down the fold side of the switch to fold the platform upwards all the way to stow away the lift. Now you can put the remote away on the lift, turn the switch off, and close your doors. Remember to turn the switch off up front, if equipped, and release your parking brake before driving away. You can refer to our video on the Braun wheelchair lift for details and troubleshooting. For use with passengers and more information regarding your lift, refer to Braun's website via the link in the description below. Lastly, we'll go over the front cabin area. Starting on the left, we have our headlight control dial. Underneath that, just below the plastic of the dash and by the door, you'll find the parking brake pedal. Just above that pedal is the parking brake release. And of course, you have your steering wheel and gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, you'll find the cluster navigation controls, cruise control, and controls for the radio and Bluetooth devices. On the dash, you have your radio head unit, USB ports for charging, 12-volt output, and your climate controls. Note that your rear heater is controlled by the rear fan dial on the dash. Its temperature is adjustable by these climate control settings. Avoid running this heater when using your dedicated air conditioner, as the two units will be working against one another. Above the dash, we have your rear view mirror and camera monitor. This will display the rear view backup camera and your blind spot camera feed when using your turn signal while driving. Above the monitor is an accessory control panel. Here, you'll find the switch to open and close the body access door, the switch to turn on and off the interior lights, a wheelchair lift power switch on some but not all models, and a heated mirror power switch if equipped on your vehicle. To the right of these switches, you'll find your AC and fan controls. The dial on the left controls how cold your AC runs, while the dial on the right controls the fan at 3 different speeds. With that is the basics to using your Tesco Ford E-Series shuttle bus. For support and all of your transportation equipment needs, choose Tesco Bus for our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit us today. Thanks for watching.